There was a huge issue with the Navy. That led to discussions about log files and anything. As a cyber guy, that shouldn't be happening. So they let me look at the system, and then we took over a $27 trillion contracting system in under 5 minutes without touching a keyboard. We started in 2015. Ekasys is a socioeconomically disadvantaged, minority woman-owned small business that has made a name for itself for doing the impossible. We focus primarily on solving tougher problems. In my mind, we can't compromise on quality data or cybersecurity. If we don't know end-to-end where the data is going, through what pipes it's traversing, and how is it getting there, then everything else is lost. Once I could wrap my head around content server, and I had all of the individual pieces, and then once the fiber that gelled everything together clicked for me, I was OpenText all the way. With content server, specifically ECM, we're able to secure at the document level. That allowed us to make it web accessible. That set the standard of what speed was, what performance was, and what quality were. And once we grabbed the metrics, anything we do now has to be as good or better than what we have when a sub submerges. So does the access to Wi-Fi, the internet, satellite, that type of thing. With Enterprise Connect and being able to do a secure offline document storage, we were able to offload that, and they were still able to get it even if connectivity got lost. That was huge. With knowledge discovery, from a document generation, we're able to scour everything and find stuff that shouldn't still exist or shouldn't still be there. Reduce duplications. We ended up freeing up just on our servers almost a terabyte worth of information. And that gives us a more efficient way to dedupe file shares, which reduces the footprint and reduces the cost significantly. The biggest pain point we're trying to help the DoD with is how to adopt the AI. How do we make sure it's safe? And how do we make sure that it does what we want it to do? We can't have something that's 98% accurate. It's got to be 100 or it's not going to work. With knowledge discovery, we can teach Aviator on-prem how the Navy deals with their contracts, what the speed is, what their velocity is, what enhancements we can make, and what we could learn from it. And then the government is writing their RFPs and RFIs with AI. Then we might as well do evaluation with AI. AI brings a lot of new security concerns, but if you don't understand the theory behind how the mechanisms work, then it's tough to secure. But if you understand there are these things that we have to do, audits are happening, end-to-end encryption, and as long as we hold ourselves to that standard, then we're solid. We can start making agents that are specific on our data, connected to a solid MCP, the ability to have it learn from the data, create new tools, extend the MCP, secure the model, and what it talks about. Being able to understand our government customers and the why, that's going to be a big win for us. We're going to deliver you exactly what you want. Now, I flip this switch, and now you can have these other features if you want them.